This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, February 27th, 2019. Take a look here, a snapshot of the market. And this is FXI, the ETF that tracks the Chinese market. And we are looking at a 5-year weekly. And the reason for using a 5-year is because I wanted to take advantage of this low in 2015. So what we are going to do is I'm going to draw two lines. Line number 1 comes from here. And you can see where I am getting at here, because we did get a break of the line here. And since then, this has acted as resistance on multiple occasions. And of course, now we are back to test the line again. I also went back 5 years because I wanted to capture the behavior during this major drop. And by that, I mean there was a drop here, a break right there, as we can see. Of course, that break corresponds with coming off this level somewhere here, that weekly break. All right, we take that line or that break area and draw a line as such. We can see how this was a multiple layer of resistance for this area here. Again, resistance here above the line and back below it. Resistance again here above the line, back below it with uniform action. And then we break out here in 2017 for this breakout and a nice move higher. Now notice also how it turned into support here for these lows, support here for these weekly lows, and then we come back and break below it, which began this slide. So right now we can see we are trading exactly on the two lines, and this is going to give us guidance. In other words, resistance around here would suggest that the next meaningful swing trade direction is going to have to be down. Keep in mind, if there is a move to the upside, then we're going to see it clearly, because it would need and take a breakout above the two lines, and also would need to clear this price highs. So right now it looks like it is going to be showing resistance on the two lines, and if that's the case, then it suggests that the next meaningful swing trade direction from now looks to be pointing to the downside. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.